Hello, Sir Glenn. Kumusta po? Redman Toys Raymond here. So, ito sir, testingin lang natin yung unit na order nyo. The WE-P14 Airsoft Gas Blowback Pistol. Okay, so ayan sir, full metal Airsoft Gas Blowback Pistol. So, 1911 format siya na high kappa. Kaya full metal din siya. Okay, so ayan. Alright. So, ito yung magazine niya. Nilagyan ko na ng 9 pieces na BB, tsaka nilagyan ko na rin ng gas. Okay. So, testingin natin. FPS and blowback, tapos accuracy. Okay. So, always remember to keep your trigger finger out. Make sure that the muzzle is always pointed at a safe direction. Okay. So, adjustable nga pala yung rear sight nito, no? So, kung sakasakali, hindi, adjustin ko kapag kung sakasakaling hindi siya accurate out of the box, adjustin natin yung rear sight. Okay? So, ano siya eh, left, right, saka may elevation. Alright, so inserting the magazine. Okay, so to, FPS test muna tayo. Okay, 0, 0. So, firing. Okay, solid. 376.6. 366.7, 359.5, 360. Okay? So, ngayon naman, accuracy test na tayo. So, meron pa tayo 5 rounds, no? So, the target box is 2.3 meters away, and the target size is 2 inches in diameter. Okay? So, for your unit, ang ibibigay ko sa iyo is the fourth from the top. Okay? So, second from the bottom, second row, and third from the left. Yan. So, second from the bottom, third from the left. Okay? So, picturean ko. Send ko sa inyo. Okay? So, ito, barilin natin. Okay, mukhang accurate naman. Okay, mukhang accurate naman siya. Tatlong bala sa isang butas lang pumasok. Kaya pag nakikita mo yung target mo, tatlo lang yung butas niya. Okay, kasi 'di ba, 5 shots. So yung isa. Tapos yung isa, tatlong bala na pumasok, same na butas eh. Kaya tatlo lang yung butas. So, puro nasa gitna naman sila. Or, ano naman, basta inside the 2 inches. Okay? Send ko sa picture. So, ayan sir, nag-open naman yung slide. Removing the magazine, wala nang bala. Wala ring singaw. Ayan. So, basically, meron pa tong gas. So, kakargaan ko ulit. Tapos, pagdating doon sa inyo, check mo kung may laman. Okay? Check mo na lang kung may laman. Pagka may laman, pag may gas pa rin siya, pag hindi mo pa rin napapresto, ibig sabihin may gas pa rin siya, ibig sabihin wala siya singaw. Okay? So, hammer down. Okay, so okay na to, Sir Glenn. So, I will be packing this now and then I'll be sending it to you. Mali. I'll be bringing it to the courier pala tomorrow. So, para ma-deliver sa inyo. Okay? So, ayun sir, thank you for your order. Until next transaction po, always remember to stay safe, stay great, be good, and be thankful always. God bless po, sir. Bye-bye.